more like of a nostalgic feeling.
Keep wishing.
Like, just want to be back to where we were. Like, the fun, happy feelings we experienced as a whole, and like the vivid like visuals of it. Yeah, even like now, like I still can't believe we all did that together.
I think it was the bike ride experience for me most was when I really felt like that freeing feeling. Like I remember like tearing up and like crying during it because it was so pretty and like it was just like a lot of excitement. I was just like, wow, like I can't believe like we're here, we made it. The most present, I guess.
Being able to just like let go and stand up on the pedal, just feel the wind in my hair and just look at the mountains was like the most amazing feeling. Just the right amount of exhilarating before reaching panic. The variety of vegetables and flavors, the food was the most amazing food I think I've ever had.
I remember feeling throughout the trip being in an environment where I can try something new.
Only take the red ones.
The
Only
red ones.
Okay?
Only red.
Only red.
Okay.
You have to make a wish, yeah, for the future, for the good coffee, and that's why we use the first one for the Pachamama.
Hiking that part of the Inca Trail. I did not expect how tall the mountain was. I'm afraid of heights, and once you're up there, you know, it really, really hits you in your face, and oof, man, you feel alive.
We made it, Poppy.
The view was 100% worth such terrifying heights.
Ziplining, it's just amazing.
Oh my god, that was so scary.
You feel that pulse initially, like, oh, I'm not on the ground anymore, there's nothing beneath me. Breathe, like you kind of feel like you're flying a little bit and just feel everything melt away. And then I remember like taking a few deep breaths and like scream. See why living in Machu Picchu, they thought the mountains were like gods. It was the most incredible view. The sun rising and the fog over the mountain, seeing Machu Picchu for the first time, like absolutely breathtaking.
I just remember like all the really awesome moments and like all the fun that we had.